Because in life, sometimes we will discourage and it will humble us. It will surprise. There are so many surprises in life and it will stretch you out. So keep a teachable spirit and a willing heart to adopt for continuous learning. Second, embrace challenges. Obstacles and setbacks are
Laban-laban Beverly Bumikpik. Dianas Margie Pinapalita. Obi Shannon Joy Buburan. Dinagagkan Annabelle Pico. Miranda on